Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove text from a video using Inshot application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have created a project in my Inshot mobile application. And then, for example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. If we want to remove text, we need to duplicate our video. Tap on your video and then you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option. And then I'm going to make it as an overlay. So I'm going to click on switch. Okay, and as you can see that now the second video has been in the first layer, and I'm going to apply mask. We can go to the mask and then I recommend you to choose the circle mask, and we can adjust the size of the mask like this. We're going to use this mask to cover the text, and we can take another part of our video to cover the text. I'm going to select this part because this part will be suitable to cover the text. Wait. Oops. Okay, and click on the check mark and you can drag the mask to cover the text right here. Okay, then to make it more natural, you can apply adjustment. You can go to the adjust menu, go to the folder and then go to the adjust, and you can adjust the lightness, the contrast, and so on to make it more natural. Okay, and as you can see guys that it looks more natural than before, and this is the final result. As you can see that the text has been removed from my video. And if the text is moving, you can use keyframe to make the mask can follow the moving text. You can use this keyframe to make it follow the text. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove text from video using Inshot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.